today.
They're cool.
Let me shut myself off the computer.
What heart is? Nothing wrong with
Heart bias. If you're here because you want to pledge heart, I understand. I do. We have 4 members and 20 cats. That explains why my house smells like rancid cat piss. And no curtains in my house and the filth behind me. Because I'm a superb badass who sits on the computer and refuses to clean my house. Heart fucking rocks. Okay, so you want to talk about pledging heart. Well, here's the rules of pledging heart. You must, first thing, talk to yourself into a camera. And then, you must not have curtains in the background. And then, you must have a bunch of fucking filth in the background to go with it. I know, right? It's just totally fucking disgusting. So anyways, so back to talking about heart. Yeah, we don't like dealing with clean people or sane people. So if you're wondering about being a part of heart and what it takes, just go ahead and collect about 2,000 pounds of trash in your fucking house. No biggie, right? And then get about 40 cats and let them like shit and piss all over your fucking shit. Isn't that fucking cool? I really like that.